Hello everyone and welcome back to another Zano list video. And in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can swap and buy fUSD easily inside the Zano mobile app. So first of all, you are going to want to hit the browser icon at the bottom right here. Then start finding a URL and you can type Freedom Dollar up here. And as you can see, it's already up there, but I'm just going to type it out for you guys. So as you can see, freedomdollar.com/swap. I'm going to go ahead and click that. Then what I can do is click Connect Wallet, and it's going to automatically connect my wallet here. And now it's going to show me how much fUSD I can buy. Or if I want to sell fUSD, I can go ahead and hit this swap button here. So I'm going to go ahead and buy some fUSD. So I'm going to go ahead and buy 5 fUSD for this amount of Zano. And then I'm going to click Get fUSD, click Confirm. And as you can see, this swap has successfully completed. So if I go back to the Zano Wallet app, go to History, as you can see, I have then received 5 fUSD for almost 0.5 Zano.